Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all my year 5 pupils. Okay, we continue our lesson today under starter unit under vocabulary topic countries and nationalities. Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so look at your handouts. Okay, so these are your handouts. Okay, language focus. Those have got. This is our a little bit revision what we have done last week. Okay, look at the example given. Complete the dialogues based on the example givens. You need to complete dialogue 1 and dialogue 2. Use the pictures as the clue. Okay, for dialogue 1. Okay, for dialogue 1. Okay, so you write. Okay, maybe you want to write your friend's name, so whatever, you can proceed, no problem. Okay, have you got a present for Susan's? Okay, name of your friend. Yes, I have. If you have. No, I haven't. Oh. Has she got a bag? Okay, the word bag is based on the clue given. Bag, photograph, pen, skateboard, pets or parrots, a car, or alright. These you can change based on this picture. Okay, yes, she has. Oh no, she hasn't. Look at the short answers. Alright, negative, affirmative and negative statement. Okay, look, they have got a really nice one in the shop. B, thanks, that's a really good idea. Alright, you have to change only the red bowl of word here. Okay, red bold and underline word and phrases. You have to change that. Okay, maybe in dialogue 2 you change. Okay, and the presents. Right? Maybe you can use car, pets or parrots, skateboard, pen, or photograph. Okay, do you understand? A very simple one. Okay, complete 2 dialogues. Okay, next. Okay, our topic start with the countries and nationalities in your handouts. Okay, look at the map, world map. Okay, this is a world map, the world map. The USA, the UK, okay, USA for United States of America. The UK means United Kingdom, United Kingdom, or now we call it England, Egypt, Japan, Mexico, Spain, Turkey, Australia, Brazil, Italy, China, and India. So you need to identify, okay, the countries in the map. Okay, on the map you have to state, state out what are the names of the countries. Okay, you can use your world map. Okay, Google your world map, right, to see which countries. For example, number 1, I've done to you. Okay, number 1 here is the USA, United States of America. How about number 2? Yes, it's Mexico. Number 3, Brazil. Number 4, where's number 4? The UK, United Kingdom. Number 5 is Spain, Spaniel or Spain. And number 6, where's number 6? Here. Okay, Italy. So the 6th country are already done to you. Okay, and then you need to find out other 6 countries. Alright, Australia, Turkey, Egypt, China, Japan, and India. Okay, ask your parent to help you. Okay, next. Okay, the second activities. Alright, these words you need to look at your in your dictionary. The people, the name, the meaning in your dictionary. Okay, use your dictionary. The meaning of the word people, flag, sport, star, capital, curry, and currencies. Okay, and then this one you have to circle. Okay, people from the UKs are, okay, so people from the UK are British. Okay, circle out British. And then complete number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. And also the nationalities. Okay, nationality for the USA is American. For the UK, based on the sentence, for the UK is British. Okay, you write there British. And then we have Egyptian, Turkish, Chinese, Indian, Japanese, Italian, Spanish, Mexican, Brazilian, and Australians. Okay, complete them based on their nationality and countries. Okay, next. Okay, complete the true and false sentences. Okay, the false sentence: Michael Jackson is an American sports star. Okay, and if you remember, Michael Jackson is an American superstar. It's a superstar. It's not sports star. Michael Jordan is an American sport star. Yes, this is true. Jordan is a famous basketball player. Okay, so this statement is true. All right, so you need to make the sentences, the true and false sentences based on the given sentence structures. Okay. Lionel Messi is a Brazilian star. Okay, false. Okay, Lionel Messi is from Argentina. Neymar Jr. is a Brazilian star. Yes. Okay. Okay, number 2. Cairo is the Turkish capital. Cairo is the Egyptian capitals. The Chinese flag is red and white. The Japanese flag is red and white. People from UK are American. People from UK are British. Okay, the truth is people from UK are British. The dollar is the Mexican currency. The dollar is the Australian currency. So the truth is the dollar is the Australian currencies. Okay, next. Okay. Give the meaning of the words. Okay, give the meaning of the words. Where is about place. What is about reason. Who is about people. Okay, just write the word in the column. Okay, then answer the question. Where's Neymar Jr. from? Okay, Neymar Jr. from Brazil. What is taco? A Mexican food. Who's Usain Bolt? A sport star. Okay, and then you answer the thinking skill answers. I and I'm not. Yes, that is. I don't. Okay, you can say I know he, I know she, I know it. Okay, or maybe and. Okay, all right. I'm not sure. Yes, that right. I don't know. Right? Okay. Alright. Okay, complete and write the question for the quiz. Okay, these are the question. These are the answers of the particular exercise. Okay, you need to write down. Okay, where is Myanmar Junior from? Okay, this is question you write here. under the question column. All the answers under the answers column. For example, Usain Bolt answer, he's a sports star. Okay, whatever you want to write first, you write. Okay, make sure everything is under question. Here, everything is under answers. Okay, next. Okay, read the text and answer the comprehension question. Okay, this is also in your textbook, English Plus 1. Alright. Okay, read carefully. Identify the words, underline words, and all the capital words. Okay. Alright. For example, is Beth from Spain? No, she isn't. She's from Boston, USA. So where we can find the answers? Yes, we look at the first line in the paragraph. Okay. See, so you need to know the clues where to look out for the answers. All right. Okay, number 2. What are her interests? Okay, more than one. Interest more than one. You look at the cooking, and then you look at the into music, sport, basketball. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You add another one. Her interests are music, sport, basketball, and cooking. So you have to add another one. Okay. Which word in the email have got capital letters? Okay. List down all the capital letters, the proper pronouns. Name of the place, name of the places, name of the person, the beginning of the beginning of the words, all that use capital letter, you just list down here. Okay. What are the meaning of the underlined word? This is you need to use your dictionary. Okay, need to use the dictionary. Okay, look at the sentences when there are comma. Okay, put the comma in exercise 6, comma. 7, complete the sentences with and, or, and but. And, or but. And, or but. Okay, next. Okay, write your email based on the Beth email. Okay, you can choose write freely. Okay, just write the email to your email address, and from to is your friend email address, from is your email address, and remember, write the actual email address. Okay, that's all for now. We will meet again on Thursday, and remember to do your work. You are awesome. Okay, so bye bye for now. Bye bye, have a nice day. Thank you very much.